Hi, everybody. It's Ms. Salazar. So, I have with me the math test, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be explaining each part of the test, and I'm also going to be reading all the questions, okay? So, we are going to start. Make sure that you have your test and your pencil. So, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to write your name and the date. Today is Friday, February 5th, 2021. So, after you're done writing the date, we're going to start with part one. It says match the words in column B with their correct abbreviations in column A. So, you have the words in column B, you have the abbreviations in column A, and you're going to match them. Okay? So, you're going to write the letters in the blank spaces. Number one, it says the abbreviation is IN. Is that going to be for centimeter, feet, inches, yards, or meter? Number two, the abbreviation is CM. Is that the abbreviation for centimeter, feet, inches, yards, or meter? Number three, the abbreviation is M. Is that going to be for centimeter, feet, inches, yards, or meter? Number four, the abbreviation is FT. Is that the abbreviation for centimeter, feet, inches, yards, meter? And the last one, number five, the abbreviation is YD. Is that going to be the abbreviation for centimeter, feet, inches, yards, or meter? So after you're done with part one, make sure that you write the letters in the blank spaces. We're going to do part two. Let's see. Okay, so part two says find the length of the following objects. Find the length of the following objects. So we have a rooster, we have a ruler. The ruler is in cm, and we always start measuring at what? At 0. So you need to figure out how long the rooster is. So how long is the rooster? So this is the tip of the feathers, and where does it end? And then you're going to measure that, right? And then you're going to write that number here in the blank space. Then number two, you have a line Y, W, Y, and it says draw a line 2 inches longer than WY. How long is the line now? So you're going to take your ruler and you're going to measure this line, and then you're going to draw a line that is 2 inches longer. 2 inches longer. And then after you write that, after you draw the 2 inches longer, you're going to measure the entire line, and then you're going to tell me how long is it? How long is the entire line? Then for number three, you're going to measure this object, right? So we always start at 0, right here at 0, and then you have to see where does the van end? Where does it end? And then you're going to count and you're going to tell me the measurement. And you're going to write the number here in the blank space. Then for number three, part three, it says write the correct answer on each line using the words from the word bank. So you have the words in the word bank, you have the sentences, and you have the lines. So let's see. Number one, this measures how long the object is. How long? So is that going to be height, 36 inches, meter stick, width, or length? And then you're going to write the word here in the blank space. Number two, this measures how tall the object is. How tall the object is. Is that going to be height, 36 inches, meter stick, width, or length? Number three, the yardstick is blank long. So what's the answer for that one? Is it height, 36 inches, meter stick, width, or length? Number four, this measures how wide the object is, how wide it is. So is that going to be height, 36 inches, meter stick, width, or length. And then number 5, this is used by people in Europe. So is that going to be height, 36 inches, meter stick, width, or length? So you choose your answer and you write it down. Then for part 4, it says find the correct answer for each exercise. So number 1, it says the distance between Lisa's apartment and the coffee shop is 60 meters long. So this entire distance is 60 meters long. She walked to the coffee shop and now she's headed home. How many meters is she from her apartment? So we know that the entire this entire route is 60 meters. From her apartment to the coffee shop is 60 meters. But we don't know how much she needs to walk in order to get to her apartment. Okay? It says she walked to the coffee shop and now she's headed home. So how many meters is she from her apartment? You're going to figure that out and then you're going to write your answer here in the blank space. Then for number 2, it says letter A, what is the total length of the 2 pieces of fabric? So you have 2 pieces of fabric, one in green, one in white. The fabric that is green is 8 yards long, and the fabric that is white is 5 yards long. So what is the total length of the 2 pieces of fabric? And you're going to write your answer here in the blank space. And then for letter B, how much longer is the green fabric than the white fabric? And you're going to write your answer there in the blank space. Then for number 3, it says, what is the total length around the following shape? So you have a stop sign, right? So you have a stop sign and you have the measurements for each side of the stop sign. Each side of the stop sign. So what is the total length around the following shape? And then you're going to write your answer here in the blank space. And then for number 4, it says, use your ruler to measure the height of the lion in centimeters. And then write your answer in the blank space. So you're going to measure the height of the lion in centimeters. And you see these lines here, I marked it for you. So this is the tip of the lion, right? Where it starts and where it ends. So you're going to write your answer here in the blank space. And it's in centimeters. And then we're almost done. For number 5, it says, Xavier bought a rope that is 27 yards long. He cut the rope and used only 19 yards. So how much of the rope did he not use? How much of the rope did he not use? So this is the rope. It's 27 yards long. He cut the rope and he used only 19 yards. He used only 19 of it. He didn't use the entire thing. So how much of it did he not use? And then you're going to write your answer here in the blank space. For number 6, fill in the blank with these abbreviations. So let's see. It says the length of a purse is about 2 blank. The length of a purse is about 2 blank. So when you're going to measure a purse, are you going to use feet, meters, or yards? And then for number 7 is exactly the same thing. Fill in the blank with either one of these abbreviations. And it says the width of a table is about 1 blank. The width of a table is about 1 blank. And you guys have a bonus, a 2-point bonus. And it says, which is longer, yardstick or meter stick? And you're going to write your answer here in the blank space. So if you guys have any questions about the test, please let me know, okay? I will be available.